Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp status photo quality. To know how to fix WhatsApp status photo quality, you should just go to settings like this. We will click and after that in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp here as you see, and you will click WhatsApp. Then in this page you will go to force stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that in this page you will click clear cache, and then you will go to click clear data, and after all that you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.